nagulat din kami na ganun kalaki yung Philippine volleyball community sa ibang bansa. And sobrang nakakataba ng puso kasi it's not just those who live in Vietnam. There were people who flew in talaga to watch and support us, even just for a day. So, nakakagana lalong maglaro knowing that there are people who come all that way just to support you. And kahit yung mga hindi makapunta, grabe pa rin yung pag-express sila ng support sa team kasi mahirap naman kasi talaga yung pinagdadaanan ng national team. And lalo na nung Vietnam match na parating pa lang kami ng venue, kita namin yung pila ng mga taga-Vietnam, paikot na ng arena eh. And then coming into the game, ang dami pa rin Pinoy na nanonood. So we're really grateful talaga for that.
Isa rin sa mga usap-usapan during the tournament was yung demeanor ng team always. Parang dahil mga edits namin, mga natutuwa kung paano yung team on and off the court. Siguro, as a captain, as a leader, how does that help you? Yung ganong type of mindset, yung buong team, parang nakakagaan ba yung ganong type ng approach ng team sa laro?
Yeah, kasi I think one thing that we're trying to get to know from each other also is how we respond in difficult situations. Kasi, you know, what could be working for me could not be the best way for other people to be able to cope to a situation. So we respect that also. So, syempre, there would be times na kaming seniors, we would be trying to bring everyone back together through one way. Pero as the games pass, na-realize namin na iba na rin kasi yung pag-communicate sa next generation, that's one. And iba rin yung mga pinagdaanan namin before coming into the national team. So, everyone just needs to be talked to in different ways. And yun yung pinag-usapan din namin while we were there.